Xumo offers several ways to change channels, all designed for easy navigation. The primary method is using the Guide or TV tab, which displays a grid of live channels. Simply scroll through the guide and select a channel to switch. If you know the channel number, you can directly input it using the on-screen keyboard or remote keypad if available. For compatible devices like Fire TV, utilize voice search by saying commands like change to ESPN. Xumo has been updated to make this process even easier with voice commands. The guide has been updated to be more fluid and responsive as of spring 2025. To streamline your viewing experience, add frequently watched channels to your favorites by selecting the heart icon. These channels appear in a dedicated section for quick access. The maximum amount of favorites is 50 and can be organized into custom lists. On standard remotes, use the arrow keys to navigate the guide and OK to select. Smart remotes like Roku Voice Remote or Amazon Fire TV Remote allow voice commands such as Open Xumo and go to channel 200. If your remote is unresponsive, try restarting the device or repairing the remote. For mobile devices, use on-screen controls or Bluetooth remotes.